This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by Sandie Hadsell. Darling English Tudor style home near MSU. Sellers has remodeled the home throughout and added a 324 square feet garage/workshop. Beautiful, easy to care for laminate flooring in most of the home with updated carpet in the isolated master bedroom with a small sunroom to enjoy. The kitchen is open to the living area and offers stainless steel gas range/oven and microwave and pretty granite countertops. The home has had the foundation repaired and is warrantied. Some work is being completed to allow VA and FHA. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandie Hadsell at 940-692-8120.